Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play. Look at this, madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run it, but see I'm not that fast. I think converse, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night.
Excuse me? What are you doing today?
I'm shopping.
You're shopping?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I was just wondering, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can actually go to lunch.
Oh.
If that's okay.
Sure.
Are you around here?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa. Excuse me? Hi. I'm Gabe. What's your name?
Grace.
Cool. When's your birthday?
September. September.
Don't bump into people. Sorry. Very sorry. When's your birthday?
September.
September what?
21st.
I was just wondering if you want to go with me to go to lunch. Yeah. All right, let's go. What? Oh, actually, it's over there. Yeah. I just went around.
My friend wanted to meet me for lunch, so I gotta go. Sorry about that.
Where are you going?
Go pick me up.
I thought we were going to lunch.
No, I'm sorry.
How? Why not?
They just called me.
Is it because of the car? Oh, okay. See you later. Fuck. Shit. You see that shit.
So basically, it's a beautiful day out, and I thought you were a very pretty girl. So I was wondering if you wanted to go on a date with me. Is that cool?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, because this is my car right here. You like it?
Yeah.
You want to ride?
Yeah.
It goes actually pretty fast. I gone like 120 on the freeway.
Crazy.
I mean, that's not like super fast, but you know, for me, it's pretty fast.
Yeah.
All right, so let's take a ride. Oh wait, were you thinking this car? No, I was talking about this. Yeah, it's pretty fast. I mean, it has like 120 horsepower or something like that.
I have to go. I have a thing.
Wait, what do you mean? You just said that you would go on a date with me, though.
I know. I'm sorry. I have a prior situation.
A fryer?
Prior.
Oh, wow. That's kind of rude, though. But you just told me you would go on a date, though.
I know. I'm sorry. I didn't.
Come on, just one
I
ride.
didn't know the time. I'm sorry.
Wow. Can't believe you.
What are you gonna say, Gabe?
Fuck, man.